Hi, and welcome to our channel. This is your typical tutor. Today, we are discussing a topic that has been a subject of debate for decades in India: the necessity of a secular, uniform civil code. The analysis is based on an insightful article by Ram Madhav. Let's explore why a UCC is considered to be an unfinished constitutional agenda and how is it relevant for our UPSC preparation. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in his Independence Day address, highlighted the need for a uniform civil code from the Red Fort. It has reignited the debate around the UCC, which has been a part of India's constitutional discourse since the time of Dr. Ambedkar. Today, we will analyze the historical, legal, and social contexts of the UCC and why it is considered necessary for modern India. The debate around UCC dates back to the Constituent Assembly. The Constituent Assembly debates. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the principal architect of the Indian Constitution, strongly advocated for a UCC to ensure equality among citizens irrespective of religion. The Article 44 of the Directive Principles of State Policy was included to guide the state in this endeavour. However, despite being a part of the Constitution since 1950, the UCC remains unimplemented. Over the years, the Supreme Court has repeatedly urged the government to take steps towards its implementation, citing cases such as Sarala Mudgal versus Union of India and the Shahabano case. Article 44 of the Indian Constitution Article 44 of the Indian Constitution, though non-justiciable, represents the state's duty to implement a uniform civil code. The Supreme Court has on multiple occasions stressed the need for a UCC, highlighting that it would ensure equal rights to all citizens, particularly in matters of marriage, divorce, inheritance, and adoption. These issues have often been handled differently under various personal laws, leading to inconsistencies and inequalities. In GS1 Indian Society, we will be reading about how implementing a UCC in a diverse society like India, how that will impact the social dynamics and what are the challenges for implementing UCC in India. We'll read about that in Indian society. Then impact on gender equality and religious diversity. What is the impact of UCC on gender equality and religious diversity? That also we'll discuss in Indian society. In GS2, you will explore the governance aspects, particularly the directive principles of state policy and the role of the judiciary in advocating UCC and the role of the judiciary. The topic is also relevant for your essay paper, where you might be asked to write on themes like secularism, gender equality, and national integration. Finally, in ethics, integrity and aptitude, the moral and ethical implications of enforcing a UCC are crucial points of discussion. A uniform civil code has significant social and political implications also. Socially, it could promote gender equality by standardizing personal laws and by ensuring that all citizens are subject to the same personal laws regardless of religion. However, it also faces resistance due to India's vast religious and cultural diversity. Politically, the UCC has also been a subject of debate, with various parties and religious groups expressing different opinions on its necessity and implementation. So, what are the challenges in implementing UCC? Religious sensitivities are at the forefront, with resistance from Muslim personal law boards and other religious communities. Then, cultural diversity. In India, It means that a single legal framework may not easily accommodate all practices. Moreover, there is a delicate balance between the judiciary's push for a UCC and the legislature's responsibility to enact such a code. Coming to the current status and the future prospects of UCC. So, where do we stand today? The current government has reignited the debate around UCC, but it seems to remain, but it remains to be seen whether it will be implemented. Public opinion is divided, and there is a need for broad consensus before moving forward. Potential models for UCC could seek to balance cultural diversity with the need for uniformity and equality. Lastly, in conclusion, the UCC remains an unfinished agenda of the Indian Constitution. A secular UCC is seen as necessary to ensure equality for all citizens. But its implementation faces significant challenges. As future administrators and policymakers, understanding this debate is crucial for your UPSC preparation. That's all for today's video. If you found this analysis helpful, make sure to subscribe to the Typical Tutor. And for more in-depth discussions on important UPSC topics, don't forget to like this video and share your thoughts on the UCC and its implications for India in the comments below. See you the next time.